There are three energy systems. One of them is ATPPC, the other lactic acid, and the third one is aerobic. There are also long-term and short-term effects to exercise, and I'll be explaining all of this in this video. The ATPPC system is a system made for sprinting. It lasts from around 1 to 10 seconds, but you can train it to last 1 to 16 seconds if you train it hard enough. A lot of sports use this ATPPC system, just like 100-meter sprint, football, rugby, even hockey and netball do. Football uses this ATPPC system in football, like the example in this video. The guy in white is sprinting using the ATPPC system, but it won't be able to last more than 20 seconds at most. The guy circled in blue used the ATPPC system in this video, and the snapshot is when he starts to use the ATPPC system, because that's when he starts going full speed and sprinting. The lactic acid system is a system that goes from 10 to 60 seconds. You can obviously train it to last longer, as 400-meter runners would use this, even 800-meter runners, as this is the most effective system to use for their event, because if they were using aerobic, they wouldn't be able to travel at the speed they were. In this video, you can see the lactic acid being used by the player running for the ball. He's not going at the full-out sprint because he needs to last it for longer. And this player is carrying on going for over 10 seconds, and he's not going on a full-on sprint. The goal was an ATPPC system, as you can see. The two players circled in blue are the players using the lactic acid system. The aerobic system is a system that lasts from 1 minute plus, or on some websites it's 2 minutes plus. But this system is used for long distance running, like marathons. You'd think that a game like rugby or football would use this system because they're 90 minutes long and you would have to keep your fitness up. But these sports use more of the ATPPC system and the lactic acid system, as they're changing the speeds all the time. A lot of time coaches of football warm their players up by using the system shown in the video. But as it's not really used in football, this system there's no footage of people using it. It's not used, and coaches normally train their team wrong by warming them up like this. Like a proper warm up for football would be using the lactic acid or ATPPC system by sprinting to a try and then changing speed, as that is what is used now and again. Some of the short-term effects that happen after you have done intense exercise or moderate exercise, your red face, increased heart rate, heavy breathing, perspiration, thirstiness, and feeling tired. When you get a red face, it's because the blood rushes to your head when you are tired or in intense exercise, causing the pores on your face to go red, trying to let out the heat. Heart rate is another effect of doing exercise. It increases a lot because the more energy you use, the higher the demand of the body. So your heart rate will increase to allow more oxygen to flow around the body. Heavy breathing is an obvious demand of short-term effects after exercise because you need to breathe in more oxygen to flow around your body. Perspiration is another demand of the body because the more exercise you do, the hotter your body gets. It's like the same as the red face. It's trying to release a lot of heat from your body. You get thirsty because when you sweat, you're releasing a lot of like fluids from your body, and you need to resupply them fluids. So drinking water will resupply. Long-term effects of the body is that your heart becomes thicker with stronger muscular walls. Um, the more you train, the amount of oxygen, so you can get a lot fitter. Um, your muscles get bigger all around your body, due to the bit that you're exercising. Your heart becomes thicker with stronger muscular walls, as you train it. This makes your heart more efficient, and this makes you a lot fitter to be able to recover faster from exercises, intense exercises, and you can sustain longer. You can sustain your moderation for longer with a stronger heart. Your muscles all over your body will get bigger and stronger as you train them more. Because if you're a weightlifter, of your biceps will get a lot bigger because you're training specifically the bicep, and it's getting stronger and more used to lifting the weights. But if you're running, your legs would get a lot bigger because you're training your leg muscles, so your legs are getting bigger. Long-term effects only really take place if you're constantly doing these exercises over a long period of time, as you start to develop and get used to doing these exercises, which makes your muscles bigger and you more fitter.